Hello my beautiful people. You're welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Kadiri, your host here for today. So today's video, we're making ogbolor soup. For my last video, I did party food and someone said, why don't you make bit by bit of your food? So I said like, okay, why not? So for today, we're doing ogbolor soup. Here I have my blended ogbolor, blended chili, that's dried pepper. I've got some stockfish, dried fish, onions, crayfish powder, and okra. This okra is still frozen. I'm trying to defroze it. I think I have a video on the channel where I did video on how to preserve your okra. So if you have too much, you don't know what to do to it, it's allow it to just waste and rotten. Go watch it. I'll link the link in this video so you can go watch it. I got my seasoning cubes, salt, oil, and I have this nice non-organic seasoning. It's so nice. I like it so much. It just elevates the cooking stuff. I have my ginger and garlic paste. Then I have this Oziza leaf here because I cook in bulk sometimes and for party and event, and they are just some leftovers. Instead of it to just go into waste, I decide to just slice them and then freeze them so I will know. When I dry it, I don't like the taste. I prefer to freeze it. This one is punky leaf. Yeah, this is punky. This is Oziza. I'm going to use them. Then I have my goat's meat here. It's still frozen. I don't know what happened to the stock. I can't find it, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to re-season it again because it's just half cooked, so we cannot get along. Then I have this Titus fish. You see Titus or microfish here, so I'm going to be putting all of this together, everything here, to make a pot of soup. Let's get going, guys. Add some salt into some hot water now. Then I'll add my fish just to soak them and rinse them from every sand, whatever, and to just make it clean, crispy clean. So I'll just soak them in wash sheets. So I'll soak my fish now, wash it with salt water, then add it into my pot of meat with the fish, then I'll season it. So now all my proteins are in here. My fish, everything I want to use as protein for this food is already washed nice and clean inside this pot. So I'm going to be adding the rest ingredients. First is my garlic and ginger paste, just a little, because this ogbolor I'm making, I want that ogbolor soup. A little salt because ogbolor soup tends to retain salt so much, so I don't want this food to be salty. I just put seasoning cubes here. So hard. Then I put some grounded pepper. I love to use grounded pepper to season my meats because it just binds all the other seasoning. Then this my organic nut sauce seasoning. I'll just add a little. I put little water. I also add some onions to it. Then stir. Don't just cover it, just stir. Stir everything together. Okay. I'll cover for it to cook. Okay. Until the stockfish and other things are a bit tender. There's no timing for it. It depends on your stove heat or your gas heat. So I'll just allow this to boil. Then we'll continue in the next clip. Then for my ogbolor, it's very like, it's like blocked. It's strong, it's stuck together. So I'll add some chili powder. I don't want to use too much chili because this soup happened to be my kids' favorite soup, so I'll just use little. Then I'll add some palm oil, then put it in the microwave. My palm oil is a bit blocked right now, like thick, so I'll put it in the microwave to loosen it up, then add it and stir. Then I'll also put this one in the microwave also to melt everything together. Those days when we were going back home, my mother used to put it inside the pot like this and then cover it. But when I discovered this microwave hack, I stopped stressing myself trying to bring this hot thing out. So I just put this in the microwave for about a minute, 30 seconds. Then I'll bring it out. So again, see you in the next clip. So I added the oil to the dried ogbolor. Then I will just microwave it for a minute. After 1 minute. It is all melted now, so I think it's fine. But if you do yours for 1 minute and you still have lumps, you still can put it back into the microwave and allow it to be smooth. Just allow it to be a smooth paste. Our meat is boiling. So now we'll take out all the fish. I'll take out all the fish, then add the okra. I'm taking all the meat out so I'll have some space to stir my soup. This is the meat and the fish. The reason why I always take the fish out is so it won't get so it won't scatter. So now I'll add my okra. And I will stir, and allow it to cook for some minutes before adding the ogbolor. So add all of it and then stir. Add more palm oil. So it's time to add the fish and vegetables. This is pumpkin leaf and Oziza leaf. And finally, a crayfish. Stir everything together. So feel free to test to see if there is too much, not too much salt or seasoning cube. But I'm just lucky that everything just went in rightly. The seasoning not too much, chili not too much, salt is okay. So our food is ready. So we're just going to serve this now with some pando. I'm having this for dinner. This sound. Oh guys, as you're watching this video till this stage, please subscribe. Just drop one comment. Even I like the sound, I like the way you cook this soup. I'm gonna try. Just drop a comment. Make this post busy. Huh? All right. Let's see. Let's go. Let's make our pando now, then we eat. So I'm taking a 360 view around this pot of soup. I'm gonna eat nicely today. Hey God, me food. I love food. Food will not finish me. Hey, and summer is here and I want to have summer body. Summer will wait for just today anyways. I'm gonna burn it later. So here's it.
Look, a globe. And a telescope. Let's check it out. Oh, I can see outer space. Oh.